Hello. Collocation question read the book to PMB page chaya Roti Posali, Disabai in skin and scan look Jimmy. No learning. So Sabai the learning jump your rapin. So Sapachiya. Learning is a process by which behavior or knowledge changes as a result of experience. Learning surabale bono process to cook it so be your time. Learning from experience plays a major role, enabling us to do many things that we clearly were not born to do, from the simplest tasks, such as flipping a light switch, to the more complex, such as playing a musical instrument. So, learning lo pyo la yin bono experience kani learning from experience karo a major role phit de beha atwat le di thema option li thema a phili lu pi chin so to so yin no di nauk ka enabling so pi ma ing form li phit ni do to a ma phit nai no pe lai me from nga le athaipai mashi bu on nga le athaipai mashi so in li phit so major role in so atika major role in enabling us lo pi de thema bo no enabling us so in li ko wi tha lai me ulele puku task kani more complex task ti long nine bu atwat bo no so learning from experience karo major role ma atika akhan kana phit de bo noဟုတ်ပြီနောက်ထပ်တစ်ကြောင်းကိုဆက်ဖတ်ရအောင် Too many people the term learning signifies blank that students do reading listening and taking tests in order to acquire new information so learning လို့ပြောလိုက်လို့ရှိရင် the term learning လို့ပြောလိုက်လို့ရှိရင်ကျောင်းသားတွေဟိုဖတ်တယ် reading လို့ listening လို့ taking tests လို့လုပ်တယ်ပေါ့နော်ဆိုတော့ new information ကို acquire ရဖို့ဆိုရင် option လေးကိုတစ်ချက်ကြည့်ပြီးအဖြေလေးရွေးရအောင်ဆိုတော့ဒီမှာ that လို့ပြောတယ်Students do reading, listening, taking tests. Or the reading, listening, taking tests, body sports la, rules la, activities la, demands la. Reading, listening, taking tests ka activities that's in nine. So, Jangdari who low like the activities you signify shit up or not learning so that you signify that data. This process, which is known as cognitive learning, is just blank type of learning. Ima isli pare 1, 2, 3 sorts of one making. No, this process, the piecing the code of your this is one type of learning. However, another way that we learn is by associative learning, which is the focus of this module. You probably starting holidays with specific sight, sound, smells, or food with specific flavors and texture. You probably tisa jang de ma verb ma pa thi so verb li ko hui pi me po no di verb ma ing the me so yin no ashi ma verb to be shi ya me so do maintaining ko pe lai me associate phit do phin nai ne helping pe lai me ing so do ashi ma verb to be li shi ya me render and ma phin nai so do associate pe la me so you probably associate starting holiday with so associate with so they chare ja li ya associate phin me po no we are not the only blank with this skill even the simplest animals such as the earthworms can learn by association so we are not the only so we so ra di niya ma lu de ko pyo da po no lu de ka be these skills they yara ma hobu po no tacha animals they are le di lo myo association learn by association phit de so di ma animals they ajang pare we so ra humans lo human ni phit de so human we are not the only humans so be the lo mya anaw ma even the simplest animals lo pyo ra phit de so mu da the lo mya bu birds ma ya bu lu de ka birds ma phit nai bu animal ma phit nai bu so species be phit meအားလုံးဖြည့်ပြီးတွားရင်တော့ confirm လေးနှိပ်ပြီးမှ result လေးကြည့်ကြည့်ရအောင်ဖြည့်ထားတဲ့အဖြေလေးတွေအားလုံးမှန်ပါတယ်ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်